From this video, you will learn how to multiply decimals with whole numbers. This video is appropriate for 5th grade math or others grade. So let's get started. This is a decimal. We need to multiply here by 5, and also these all are decimal, and we will multiply by these whole numbers, right? So let us start with the first example. So this is our problem. Look, 4.5, and we need to multiply here by 5. So at first, delete this decimal. So we are getting 45, and write here 5 and multiply. So look, 5 times 5, 25. So write here 5 and carry over to 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. Look, here after decimal we have one digit. So you need to write decimal here, right? So in the result we have decimal, we have one digit after decimal. So 22.5 is the result, right? Here is the another way to multiply this decimal by this 5. First, convert this decimal to fraction. So how to convert the decimal to fraction? Just remove the decimal and write the number, and then after for every digit after decimal you have to write 10. So for 5 we will write 10 here, right? So now you need to express this whole number as a fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now you need to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So this is your new fraction, and you need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? Look, we can split this 10 as 5 times 2. So now this 5 cancel each other, so we are getting 45 divided by 2. This is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to express this as a mixed number. How to do that? So look, so 2 goes into, you need to divide this numerator by this denominator. 2 goes into 4, 2 times 2, 4, 0, that is 0, and bring down this 5. 2 goes into 5, 2 times 2, 4. If you subtract, your remainder is 1. So quotient will be the whole number, remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. 22 and half is the answer. Okay, so let us take the second example. 1.75, and you need to multiply this by 13. So how to do that? At first, write the problem without decimal. 175, then 13, and carry out the normal multiplication. So 3 times 5, 15, 5 carry 1, 3 times 7, 21, plus 1, 22, so write 2, carry 2, 3 times 1, 3, plus 2, 5. Look, now you need to multiply by this digit 1, but the place of 1 is here is 10, but so this is unit place, right? So since the position of 1 is in 10th place, so 1 place will have 0. So 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 7, 7, 1 times 1, 1. Now add 5, 7, here 7 hundreds, here 5 hundreds, so 12 hundreds. So write 2, carry over 1, and 2, write 2. So look, in the problem after decimal we have 2 digit, so you need to place here 1 digit, 2 digit, you need to place here the decimal point. So this is the answer, that is 22.75 is the answer. Let us take the third example, 0.004, and you need to multiply this by 3. So at first write the problem without decimal. So we are getting here, look, from here we are getting, if we are getting here 4, and here we need to here 3, so 12. After decimal we have, look, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so decimal 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so you need to consider 0 if you don't have any digit, so you need to place here decimal. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, after decimal we have 3 digit, and so this is the result, right? That is decimal 0, 1, 2. Before decimal also you can place here 0, and this is the answer. Let us consider the fourth and last example. Okay, 135, and you need to multiply by 4, right? So write the number without decimal and do the normal multiplication. 4 times 5, 20, write here 0, carry over 2. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14, write here 4 and carry 1. 4 times 1, 4, and add here 1, that is 5. So 540, and after decimal we have 3 digit, so 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so you have to place here decimal, right? So 0.540 is the result, and before decimal you can write 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. I hope you have understood how to multiply decimals with whole numbers.